What's going on? This is $14 and this is my second motovlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the first one, and I just got a bunch of people with me. Hope it doesn't get too crazy, but I'm not their guy. I'm not their moms. The roads are cleaned up. It rained all day yesterday, and then now we're going for a ride. Yeah. This time I got some tape. Cruising. It's a little nippy. It's like 10 degrees right now. What are you gonna do? You just get so horny, man. The day dragged so long at work. It's just thinking about I want to ride. Look at the day going out. But I just finally realized if I have my helmet closed, there's more of like a baffle in my voice, so I'm just gonna leave it open, and that's about it. Hey, tomorrow we're gonna work on the cage, right? Tomorrow, 7:30. What? You don't have enough pipe? You don't have enough pipe?
I don't have no blades.
Oh, yeah.
What are you buying?
Canadian Tire. Or Home Depot. It'll be a good ride, man. Hey, it'll be a good ride. This is dirty, man. Oh, getting the crew back together for a ride. We haven't been out. What's up, buddy? Beautiful. It's March 11th. And the biker gods gave us this glorious day to ride. That 600 can't do shit, huh? I'm gonna do a motovlog. I'm gonna help Tank Top do his cage. Do his cage for his R1, his back rear sub cage. It's gonna almost look identical to mine. He likes it, so I'm gonna help him out. That roundabout. Yeah. Holy fuck, man. Your blinker? Your blinker? Huh? You bent your rim? No. No. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh. A little one, yeah. Hey! You cut me off! You cut me off! Oh, shit. I stalled. Whoa! Fuck off! What's up, guys? $14 is back in action. About an hour, the sun's gonna go down. I do not like riding at night. It's very dangerous. But I put lights in my bike, so hopefully that will help out a bit. Hey, the girls are digging it. I'm married. They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling, trying to catch me riding dirty. Very cold. Back to the shop. Look. Oh, he's digging it. The green rollers, longboard wheels. Still gonna get a couple little things, but we got income tax coming along too. Hopefully I get some money this year. Usually I pay back all the time. It sucks. But what can you do? What can you do? No cops around. Open your eyes. Respect each other. Help out for fallen members. Is that a cop? No. The fucking cops here. Sorry, the cops here. They ride in like undercover Dodge Rams. Now they have like a brand new Dodge Durango that we just seen just with that guy. That guy actually, I rode with him the first time. Went to this nice run with a lot of turns, and he overtook the turn, went in the gravel, in the ditch, into the cornfield. We're just riding, we're like, what the hell? A couple, like 100 feet later, he comes out, riding his bike, out of the ditch, through the cornfield. He filmed it, he filmed everything. And wow, that was an amazing save. I gotta say, really, props to him. I forget his name though. Oh, it's cold. Oh, a nice cup of tea would be nice. I don't drink tea though, but it would be nice. Just put my hands around it. Thanks, bud. Fresh tire in the back. Hopefully that grease mold, when they mold the tire, there's that little shine. I want it off. I'm gonna do a burnout on it. I don't know. Oh, it's cold. Motorcycle vlog number 2. Fucking new light. They put this new light in last year. I always forget. I was born in this area, and I always forget. You know, you're used to these lights that have always been here, and then you put new ones up. You gotta be careful. Waste Solution Canada. Nope. This is my buddy Mike's neighborhood laundromat cafe. Makes really good food. Really good food. Cheap too.